Good day everyone. We're the group 6-7 and today we'll explore one of the most talked about innovation in agriculture, the genetically modified organisms or GMO. GMO are living organisms whose DNA has been changed using modern biotechnology to improve specific traits. Unlike traditional selective breeding, this takes many generations to develop. And genetic modifications allows scientists to directly introduce modified genes responsible for those traits. Understanding GMO is important because they help us solve problems such as food shortage, crop disease, climate change, malnutrition, and as consumers, knowing the science behind genetically modified food help us make informed decisions based on evidence instead of misinformation. Our conceptualized product is called Nutriban or genetically modified banana. The banana is one of the most consumed fruits in the Philippines. Naturally, banana are rich in potassium, vitamin B6, vitamin C, fiber, carbohydrates that provides energy. However, banana can easily spoil and are vulnerable to disease like Panama disease and have limited amounts of essential nutrients needed to fight vitamin deficiencies.
For reflection, genetic modification has the potential to reduce hunger and improve nutrients around the world. However, every genetically modified product must undergo careful scientific testing to ensure it is safe for human health and the environment before being sold. Consumers should rely on information from credible scientific organizations rather than myths or misinformation. Responsible regulation, transparency, and continued research are essential for ensuring the safe use of GMO technology. And for the closing pitch, the future of food is not just about producing more. It is about producing smarter. Nutriban Plus is an example of how science can create healthier, safer, and more sustainable food for everyone. Together, we can use innovation to fight hunger, improve nutrients, and build a healthier future. Nutriban Plus, better nutrients, better harvest, better tomorrow. Thank you for watching my genetically modified fruit.
Scientists modified Nutriban Plus using gene editing to improve several important traits. First, genes responsible for vitamin production were enhanced to significantly increase vitamin A and iron, helping reduce malnutrition. Second, disease-resistant genes were introduced to protect the banana against fungal diseases such as Panama disease. And lastly, genes that slow fruit ripening were modified, allowing the banana to stay fresh for a longer time during storage and transportation. These genetic improvements make the fruit healthier, more durable, and more beneficial to both farmers and customers. Here we have an ordinary banana and our conceptualized Nutriband Plus. At first glance, they look almost identical. However, Nutriban has a several improvement. It contains more vitamin A, iron, helping support healthy visions and reduce iron deficiency. It remains fresh for a longer period before spoiling. It is also more resistant to common banana diseases, allowing farmers to harvest more healthy fruits while reducing crop losses.
Compared to ordinary bananas, Nutriban Plus offers greater nutritional value. Besides providing potassium, fiber, and vitamin C, it also contains increased vitamin A and iron. These nutritions help in strengthening the immune system, improve eyesight, reduce anemia, and support healthy growth in children. Because it lasts longer after harvest, less food is wasted during transportation and storage. Nutriban Plus benefits many people. Farmers can harvest healthier crops with fewer losses caused by disease. Consumers receive fruits with improved nutrition. Communities experiencing vitamin deficiencies and malnutrition gain better access to healthier food. Longer shelf life also reduces food waste and lowers transportation costs. This demonstrates how science and technology can improve food security while promoting public health.